came on this trip. Because everywhere in the whole area was sold out of this bed except this store. So we came on this whole entire trip to get your bed.
You know, I had a suspicion.
Merry Christmas. This is your big Christmas present. I love you.
I love you too. Y'all, we are here throwing away our trash from brunch. We're here! Oh, it is beautiful and it is so cold. I mean, it's like 43 degrees, which coming from like 78 is like really cold. But we're here and I'm so excited! We're wearing our masks outside because it's so cold that we're trying to block the wind with our masks, but we've got our masks on for that. But it is so cold. It is so cold. My hands are turning red. My nose is red. Oh, but I'm already having such a great... This is a bat-eared fox. Oh my gosh, it's so cute! I don't know. I mean, he's from Africa, so he may be inside.
Yeah, maybe.
Because it is too cold. I don't know if I've mentioned that already. It's too cold. Yeah, we don't have pelicans. And I don't think I'm upset about that. They don't smell very good. Turkey. It's November, Turkey. You know what that means? It's your appreciation month. It's calling me. I need to go there. China exhibit.
Yeah,
I want to look at the pandas. What is this path? Oh, it has a house. What is this? It is nothing. Ha ha. There's no turtles. or dragons. It is too cold for any of them. So now I'm upset. I'm depressed. I wanted to see dragons, and I didn't. Bonobos. Oh my gosh, it's bonobos. I don't know what a bonobo is.
Yeah, those are their biscuits.
Someone just saw us. I see China. If they don't have pandas out, I'm going to cry. Dude, this is gorgeous. The one thing I wanted to see, and I think it's too cold when they put them away. If I don't see a panda, I will cry. Prepare for my tears. I was so excited for China and I don't see anything. Okay, you're cute. It says, would you like to go and search for a panda? Yes, I would. Panda! Yes! She's coming to me. Oh my goodness, hi. She came right to me. Hello, Jack Panda. She was in the corner and I came over and she started walking. I told you all I wanted to see was a panda today.
Oh, there's one sleeping. There is?
She's posing. I'm gonna cry. That is all I wanted to see. I'm crying. I'm like legit tearing up. All I wanted today. I said if I didn't see it.
You were so cute.
I said if I didn't see a panda today, I would cry. Then I saw a panda and I still cried. Red pandas? No, 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 no. What are these? Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Is there a red panda? Oh my god! Yes! Oh, Daddy! I'm going to cry. Mom, I saw a panda. I saw red pandas. I saw red pandas. I really wanted to see pandas, and I know it's silly, but I really wanted to see pandas. And I'm sorry.
The Davis deer. Why have I heard that before?
Oh, they had those at the Arbuckle. Arbuckle Wilderness. We these things rammed our car.
Oh yeah, that's right.
You agree? Oh my god, they have panda and red panda stuffed animals. I want to look at the panda gift shop.
Does it give you the pen?
They have panda everything. Oh my gosh. I don't think I'm leaving without this red panda. Thank you. You have a wonderful day. I'm living my best life.
Look at how tall they are. Hey, look, he's eating hay.
Got my red panda.
All right, we move it along. Show me the way. Oops.
You're nothing but a big pup, huh? Who could tear my face up in a second. All right, it's about halfway through the day, and I think we're looking at getting some food in a bit. I don't know what. I think they only have the cat cafe.
There was another one open, but
The
I don't
cat
it didn't
cafe.
look like it had much.
What has everyone's favorite animal that they've seen first? I'll go first. My favorite were the cheetahs.
Red pandas.
No, my favorite were the red pandas and
I knew it
pandas.
wasn't the cheetahs, liar.
I loved
I liked the elk.
the elk were cool. They were no red panda and pandas.
No, they weren't. The panda was really cute eating his sugar cane.
Yeah. Her name
the
was
porcupine.
Wasn't her name Lele?
Lily.
Lily and Kaya, or KK or something. I don't remember.
Kiki, maybe?
No. Are we walking the same way we originally
I
walked?
don't believe we are.
Because this looks all new.
We ran, though.
We did run. For
Yeah,
kind of
'cause
nothing.
We came. Yeah.
A bald eagle.
Ooh, cool. You want to see the bald eagle?
Hello? I said hello, Mr. Sea Lion. Hello. There he is. Look at that one. I am so white. Hello. Okay. Nice talking with you. Bye. Alrighty, we're leaving the zoo, but we're not quite done in Memphis.
Oh, that's all.
So we're leaving the zoo. Do you want to get a picture? Did we ever get a picture in front of the sign, or were we too cold when we arrived? But we're leaving. We're not done in Memphis yet. We don't leave till tomorrow, so there's still much more to explore. Not quite sure what we'll do the rest of our day. So I'm not quite ready to go back because
No.
last night we went to bed at like 9.
There, stand right there.
All right, we gotta stand way over here so we can get it.
Oops. I think you're getting way too optimistic about this.
Banana, gross.
I'm like nauseous.
It said a unique, it didn't say delicious.
Do I have to take?
For an out of this world dessert.
Oh, well, maybe out of this world is it?
Is it out?
I mean, I don't want to go to space. Just saying.
Space aliens and gunk.
I don't know how to eat this.
With your mouth. How gross is it? Hey, just take a bite.
I can't.
Your sister is holding it in her mouth, waiting on you. It gets worse the longer it sits.
I can't eat this. I'm not doing it. I'm not doing it.
I can't swallow.
I'm not.
Uh-oh, we're opening the door.
It's like second.
There's a tissue on the floor. Hand me one and get you one.
Just look at my face.
Take this banana.
Oh. Well, the after flavor tastes like banana Laffy Taffy. It's really good.
The after, so
The moon pie.
chewing the actual flavor, eating
Just
the
don't-
actual
it's
food.
not
gross.
good warm. Heating up the banana one is going to taste like dog.
Dog poo.
Take a bite, Ellison.
No,
Go
I'm not.
ahead. Try the banana
Moon pie.
moon pie. Ugh.